To set up an assessment continuum to track learners' progress, there are two steps. Step 1, there are two options. You can create an assessment aspect using a preloaded option, and you can edit it to suit your needs. Or within step 1, you can create an assessment aspect from scratch. And there is another guide and video available within the EFL Online Resource Centre that shows you how you can create an assessment aspect from scratch. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create an assessment aspect using a preloaded option. So I've logged into the web console, the browser version of the Evidence for Learning app, and I'm going to hover over Admin towards the top right, and then click on Assessment Configuration. Towards the top left, I'm going to click on Assessment Aspects. Then to create a new assessment aspect, we just click Create on the right-hand side. Name the assessment aspect, and in this demonstration, I'm going to name mine Tracker. I'm going to click Create underneath the name. To then use a preloaded option, you just click on Preloaded top right, and there are various options that are preloaded assessment aspects that you can browse and that you can then use for your setting. Do be aware that any of these preloaded assessment aspects can be edited. So you'll be able to change the color, you'll be able to change the names of specific values, or add in different values if that's what you want to be able to do. So you can use the preloaded one as a basis for an assessment aspect and edit it as you wish. So in this demonstration, I'm going to use the preloaded assessment aspect of emerging, developing, and secure. So you just click on the one you want to use. You can then see each value in the assessment aspect being displayed. The value on the left-hand side, so the first one is emerging, has a short code of E and a numerical score of 1. And on the right-hand side, we can see it being previewed, so you can see how it will look in the app and on the web console when it's being used. So I can then click on Edit on the right-hand side to edit any of these values. So I'm going to edit emerging. Here you can edit the value name, the short code, the numerical score, the display order, and or the color. So I'm going to click on orange. You can then see it being previewed at the bottom left, and then I'm going to click Save. If I wanted to add in a new aspect value, I could just click on the plus Add Aspect Value to add in a new value into my assessment aspect. Once you've completed making any changes, you just click the cross at the top right of the pop-up window. You can then see that I've created the assessment aspect called Tracker. Step 2 then of creating an assessment continuum to track learners' progress is to create the assessment schema, and we'll use and add this assessment aspect Tracker to that assessment schema. And there is a second guide and video available within the EFL Online Resource Centre that shows step 2, create an assessment schema. There are a number of other guides and videos available within the EFL Online Resource Centre. And always feel free to get in touch if you've got any questions. You can email us using services@theteachercloud.net.